Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit copyright text in the Shopify Dawn theme footer. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize the copyright notice at the bottom of your store to include specific years, company names, or any legal text that represents your brand properly. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Online Store. This section is where you manage your store's appearance and theme settings. It's the hub for all your design and layout customizations. After clicking Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed prominently. Right beside the theme preview, you'll notice a button that says Edit Theme. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you into the theme editor where you can make visual changes to your store's design. Now, at the top of the screen, click on the three dots icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, click on Edit Code. This is where the more technical customization happens, allowing you to directly modify the theme's files and structure. Wait until your code editor fully loads. Depending on your internet connection and the size of your theme, this might take a moment. Be patient here, as rushing into edits before everything loads can cause errors or prevent you from seeing all available files. Once the editor has loaded, look over to the left side where you'll see a list of folders and files. Click on Sections. This folder contains all the modular components of your theme. Inside Sections, scroll down and find the file named footer.liquid. Click on it to open the file in the editor. Now press Ctrl F on your keyboard to open the search function within the code editor. In the search box that appears, type copyright. This will highlight all instances of the word copyright in the file, making it much easier to locate the exact section you need to edit without scrolling endlessly. Once you've found the copyright section, you can begin editing the text directly. For example, if you want to add the word copyright before the copyright symbol, simply input copyright right before the ampersand copy code. This makes your copyright notice more explicit and clear to visitors. Next, let's add a year range to show when your store was established. Before the code that says open curly bracket, now pipe date, input 2018. This will display a range like 2018 to 2025, automatically updating the current year. It's a professional touch that shows your store's history. After making all your edits, look to the top right of the screen and click Save. This commits your changes to the theme and makes them live on your store. Always remember to save your work to avoid losing any customizations you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and customized the copyright text in your Shopify Dawn theme footer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.